think I'm okay. No, I just put my fingers on it. Now we'll check the safety.
Yeah. It's okay.
It was the occipital. Now,
Nice, right
That's,
occipital. Oh, her suck already feels stronger.
It
it
does?
should change instantly. It'll blow your mind.
Yeah, I felt it.
Whoa, that's crazy.
It was only, in my opinion, kind of like working on one side.
Don't you feel better now?
Yeah. Yeah, her suck is already stronger.
Yeah, if you can show me what you were talking about with the lip.
Yeah, her tongue.
Oh, it's the tongue.
Show her your tongue.
Smile.
When she cries, you can see it. See, it's kind of tight. The frenulum's a little tight on
Oh, I
there.
thought you were talking about up here.
She's got, it's the actually under her tongue, and then this cheek is tight. Inside this cheek is
Yeah,
tight.
that should calm down now.
Yeah. Yeah.
She was her
Yeah, when
occipital's
she
off.
cries, feel her cheek and
Does
it's
it feel better?
super tight.
Can
Yeah.
you say thank you? You
Yeah,
feel
I think
better?
I think I'm okay now. That was pretty wild though.
Is that better? Yeah. Good job. Good job. Does it feel
I
better?
think you're gonna live.
Yay. Let's see how you do with your nurse. I'm curious to put her on. See how she gets how her supple is.
She's got a lot of
You should try.
foot focus. If you go beyond that foot, then she loses it.
Oh, right. Yeah.
And then that'll get more and more, and then that's when she wants to start crawling when she sees an object.
Oh.
Now
what is that?
now she can't see it.
It's because we don't want her to get too far away, do we?
I'm never left alone on tables like this.
No, not yet. She can't roll, but it's always as soon as you
The
look
first
away.
time, yeah. Off she goes.
That was you, Juju.
Really?
That was, yeah.